Hello everyone, I'm Nancy from Astiland, and today I'm excited to introduce you to our revolutionary new technology, the fiber laser hair removal machine. This innovative machine incorporates the most advanced triple wavelength fiber laser technology with a light-weighted ice treatment handle, which can permanently destroy hair follicles with its 0.1 second fast lightning speed. Compared to diode lasers, our fiber laser technology boasts a more uniform energy output, longer laser lifespan, and nearly no handle damage risk. The machine case is made of ABS material and features a 10.4-inch panel touchscreen and universal wheels with brakes. The handle can supply 3 wavelengths, including 755nm, 808nm, and 1064nm, providing better hair removal results. The 755nm wavelength is suitable for light skin and fine hair. 808nm is the golden standard wavelength for all skin types, and the 1064nm wavelength is designed for darker and deep hair roots. We also provide a small tip for hair removal in small areas. Our machine is available in 7 languages and can be customized to support your local language. Its humanized operation interface design makes it easy to operate. Simply follow the preset procedures. Select the mode, gender, treatment area, and skin type. Adjust the output frequency and power, and the parameters will be set automatically. Thanks to its unique fiber optic transmission and sapphire crystal design, our machine minimizes energy loss and emits a more focused laser beam than diode lasers, which is to less energy being felt by the patient, but better hair removal result. The handle comes with a lifespan of at least 50 million shots, making it more cost-effective than the diode laser, which typically offers only 20 million shots. One of the biggest advantages of our machine is its handle, which weighs only about 0.6 kg, and its laser part is installed in the main machine, not in the handle. This feature ensures that the operator can hold it for a long time without feeling tired. Moreover, the machine offers better cooling effects, and the handle contact temperature during treatment is kept super cool at -10 degrees to 0 degrees, which ensures no handle burning risk and no requirement for water quality and temperature. This feature makes it easy to use for the operator and ensures no post-maintenance costs. Our fiber laser hair removal machine is a valuable investment that provides maximum value. We are a beauty medical equipment manufacturer with a highly experienced technical support team and professional product development team. We are happy to provide customized solutions or OEM services for your brand to match different levels of products. Are you interested in this machine? Welcome to contact Astiland for more information.